This video is the first in a series introducing our new Visual Takeoff 6 software, which I'll refer to as VTO 6 going forward. This series is intended for both VTO 5 users migrating, as well as new users to our Visual Takeoff software. This video in the series will provide an overview of the user interface. Subsequent videos will provide detailed description of each of the various elements within VTO 6. VTO 6 expands on the dockable windows that we introduced with Visual Takeoff 5. Now, all windows are optionally dockable with one another, or they can be free independent windows that you could move to another monitor if you choose. The drawings themselves are also dockable, and you can now have as many open as you would like. The toolbar, by default located at the top of the VTO 6 window, is broken into two main groups. The first one is Mode. Mode is where you will find the various takeoff, selection, and markup options. The second section is called Action, where you'll find zoom in, zoom out, and delete options. And finally, the Settings button, where you can customize various settings in VTO 6. While we're here, I'll reset the default window docking positions. The window just below Tools, titled Mic, is where you will make various selections during takeoff. The Systems tree is pre-populated with the systems and types that you have set up in your mic estimate. When starting a new takeoff or modifying an existing takeoff, you will select the system, the fitting, size and thickness, enter any groups for report breakouts later in mic, assign a labor modifier, assign an alternate if applicable, enter in a count or takeoff multiplier, and adjust the takeoff line width. On the far right-hand side of the main window, you will find the Sheet Manager. The Sheet Manager is where you will bring new drawings into a project. Rename pages, sort pages into folders, set the scale, delete, print, create overlays, and other sheet management operations. Most operations are accessible by right-clicking the sheet that you need to adjust. At the bottom of the main window, you will find the Takeoff Window. The Takeoff Window is the window where the takeoff for the selected drawing is displayed. You now have the option to select multiple items in this table by using the checkbox on the far left, as well as setting a range to help you locate a particular item on a drawing that has many items taken off. And finally, the Plan area, located in the center of the main window. This is where your drawings are displayed, by default, when you double-click on them in the Sheet Manager. Here I have 3 open, 2 docked together on the left, plus the third by itself on the right. You can have as many open as you'd like, docked in any configuration you like. You can also undock them and place them on a separate monitor. Just like the Sheet Manager, you can also right-click on the drawing itself to access sheet management tools. The most common ones are also located at the bottom in the status bar. Set Scale, Rotate Plan, and Set Takeoff Alignment options. As I mentioned at the beginning of this video, please refer to the other videos in this series for a more in-depth discussion on the various tools and windows within Visual Takeoff 6. Thank you for watching.